Hello everyone and welcome back to our development of Web 365 clone. If this is your first time watching this series, then the link to the full playlist is in the description below. You will also find a link to the source code and any other resources that has been used in this tutorial. In this episode, we build functionality for the exporting to PDF. So let us get right into it. It's just so simple. So export to PDF. Here we first get the particular file we want to export, or the name of the file. Let me put it that way. It should be equal to kill dialog, or kill file dialog rather, dot get save file name. And in here you pass a couple of things. The first one is self. The second one is the title of the window, which we can say export to PDF. The third one is the directory where it will be open, but we want it to always remember the previous one, so we put in this one. And then I think we should be coming to the next line for the rest of the things. This one is where we pass the extension, so we just say PDF. PDF files. We can also pass in all files. And that should do it for the file dialog. And now if we get a file name, that is if the user actually selects a file, so if file. We also check again. Some people, okay, let me type the code and I'll explain. So if kill file info of the file itself, make sure you have this kill file info imported from pyqt5.qt core. If kill file info dot the suffix equal to, we want to check if it is equal to whatever the file name will be, and then now if the suffix is equal to empty, then we want to now do it file. Some people may forget to add the extension to the file name. So if that happens, then we want to manually add it using this line, the .pdf. That's the function of this line. Other than that, the things kind of remains the same. We also have to declare our printer again. Kill printer. And then in here, we declare it to be high resolution. And then printer dot set output format to be kill printer dot pdf capital PDF. It's PDF format. I don't know why it's not popping up there. Then make sure the P is capital. Only the P is capitalized in the PDF, and then the F is also capitalized. The format for the format. And then printer dot. We want to also set the output file name. Set output file name to the name of the file, and then we are done. So self dot text edit dot document dot print. This prints with the underscore, and then we want to pass in the printer object. Yes, that will be all. Let me give the comment up here. Then now let's connect it up here. Action export to PDF dot triggered. Let us quickly test our code. So this is the export to PDF. I click on it, and then here I can see. So if I forget that .pdf here, then the software will automatically do it for me. So set PDF test. So now we can check the file, and then you see that it's here. And double click on it. So exactly the text in the editor has been converted to PDF. So that'll be all for this video. If you like it, be sure to give us a thumbs up and then consider subscribing if you are new. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you another time with another video.